Okay, so those tops over there are in the way for when I drag these logs down out. So what I did was I hooked up a notch block to the winch down to the tractor. And hopefully I'll be able to pull them over in here somewhere so then I can drag them down out. All right, let's see how we make out.
With everything in motion, say a word, hold a hand. Life is not the sum of what we planned, but the in-between. This miracle of human life and the body and time that we occupy, it is all together sacred. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion, oh, here now, see the beauty that's woven in every single moment. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. Tomorrow's still a mystery. Don't worry about what you wear or eat. Just stop and smell the roses. Nothing here. You and me will hold us together. Slow down. Listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion. Oh, here now. See the beauty that's woven in every single moment. In every single moment. Slow down.
Okay, go down to the tractor and see if I can pull that piece over.
Listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion. Here now, see the beauty that is woven in every single moment. Waking up in the flower bed, the sun is up, table set, we eat and drink. Body and bread, blood and wine, there's a time to live, time to die, and a time to slow down and listen for a heartbeat.
I actually opened it up pretty good over there.
With everything in motion.
I'll re-rig the snatch block down on this other
Say
tree.
a word, hold a
Grab the
hand,
front of
life
this.
not the sum of what we
See if I
planned,
can
but
pull
the
it that way a
in-between.
little bit.
lives
down the
and the
tractor
body
and
time that we
rigged up now.
occupy. It is all together
I ain't gonna get it over too far because of that little tree there. I could cut that tree out of the way. But
slow
we're back
down.
in here. Pull it as far as
Listen
it's
for a
down. Look at it.
heartbeat
Side.
with everything in motion. Oh, here now, see the beauty that is woven in every single moment. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. Tomorrow's still a mystery. Don't worry about what you wear or eat. Just stop and smell the roses. Nothing here is guaranteed, but the love surrounding you and me will hold us together. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat with everything in motion. Oh, here now.
Well, right there you see the power of that winch. Little tree I talked about cutting, pull it right over. Now we got it out of the way. Start to drag those logs here, probably more. A little bit more weight up there to do, so we drag it a little better. Pretty good shape now.